Many of us are at an age where waking up each morning is not just the start of a new day, but also a big question: can I live more fully? Perhaps you are feeling less energetic than before, or maybe you are facing changes in your relationship, especially intimacy with your partner. This is a delicate topic, but I believe it is very important. It is not only about physical things, but also about emotions, confidence, and connection. As we pass the age of 50, our bodies naturally change, and sometimes those changes can make us feel less attractive, less powerful. That feeling I know. It is like you are on a boat, and you feel like you are losing your grip on the oars. But today, I want to turn that issue around with you. Because age is not a barrier. It's a new chapter, a chance to understand ourselves, our bodies, and deepen our relationship. Together, we'll discover a little secret, a secret that doesn't require pills or false promises. It's the power of our own bodies and simple exercises you can do at home. Let's start this journey together. Why is this topic so important? After the age of 50, our bodies begin to undergo significant changes. Testosterone levels decrease in men, and hormonal changes in women can affect our libido and overall health. Blood circulation becomes less efficient, muscles weaken. These things not only affect our sex lives, but also have a big impact on our self-confidence and personal happiness. We often shy away from talking about this issue for fear of being judged or simply not knowing where to start. And our body, our health, is one of those things. We can't stop time, but we can make every passing moment more meaningful. And the solution here is not magic. It's discipline and self-love. Today, I will introduce you to 6 simple exercises scientifically proven to improve physiological health, increase blood circulation, and flexibility. These exercises do not require you to go to the gym or buy expensive equipment. You only need 10 to 15 minutes a day and a spirit of willingness to change. I believe that small changes every day will create a big revolution in your life. If you find this content useful and inspiring, don't hesitate to give me a like. Let me know what you think in the comments. It helps me know that this content is valuable to you and motivates me to create more videos. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on other valuable health tips that I will share in the future. Let's explore together. Exercise 1: Kegel exercises. When it comes to sexual health, Kegel exercises are always the first name mentioned. It is not only for women after giving birth, but also very important for men. This exercise helps strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, the muscles that support the bladder and bowel, and in men, the muscles that help control erections. How to do it? Find the pelvic floor muscles. You can do this by trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. The muscles you use are the pelvic floor muscles. Once you find them, lie down or sit comfortably. Tighten your pelvic floor muscles for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Do this at least 3 times a day. Common misconception. Many people think Kegels are a one-sex exercise. This is a mistake. Both men and women can benefit from this exercise. It not only improves sexual health, but also helps reduce urinary problems. Think of Kegels as a reminder that we have control over the deepest parts of our bodies. It is not a difficult task, but an act of self-respect. Be persistent, because persistence is the foundation of all success. Exercise 2: Brisk walking. You may be surprised to see walking on this list, but science has proven that brisk walking is one of the best cardiovascular exercises. It helps increase blood circulation to all parts of the body, including the pelvic area. How to do it? Take 30 minutes a day to walk briskly. You don't have to run a marathon. You can walk in the park on a treadmill or even just walk around the block. The important thing is that your pace should be fast enough to get your heart rate up a little but still be able to carry on a conversation. Benefits. Brisk walking not only improves physical health but also helps reduce stress. When we walk, the body produces endorphins, a happy hormone. This helps us feel relaxed, and when the mind is comfortable, everything else will be better. Think of walking as a small journey every day. Focus on each step on your breathing. There is no need to rush. The goal is not the destination, but the process. Enjoy it. Exercise 3 Bridge. The bridge exercise is a simple but extremely effective yoga exercise. It helps strengthen the glutes, lower back muscles, and especially the pelvic floor muscles. It also helps improve spinal flexibility and blood circulation. How to do it. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Lift your hips off the floor, keep your back straight, and squeeze your glutes. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds, then slowly lower. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Common mistake. Many people tend to lift their hips too high or too low. Listen to your body. Lift your hips to a level that feels comfortable and that allows you to squeeze your glutes. Life is like a bridge. Sometimes we need to lift ourselves up and overcome difficulties. This exercise reminds us that flexibility is not only about the muscles, but also about the mind. Lift your spirit every day. Exercise 4. Plank. Plank is a great exercise to strengthen the core. It helps strengthen the abdominal muscles, back muscles, and pelvic floor muscles. A strong body from the inside will help you feel more confident and energetic. How to do it. Start in a push-up position, but place your elbows on the floor, keeping your body in a straight line from shoulders to heels. Tighten your abs and glutes. Hold this position for as long as possible. Try to start with 30 seconds and gradually increase the time. Action suggestion. You can challenge yourself by competing with yourself every day. See if you can hold the plank for longer. Sometimes we need to stand firm in the face of challenges. Plank teaches us about perseverance, about holding your position despite difficulties. Strength is not only about what you can do, but also about what you can endure. Exercise 5 Yoga. Yoga is not just a series of flexible movements, but also a method of connecting the mind and body. Yoga postures help increase flexibility, reduce stress, and improve blood circulation. How to do it. There are many yoga postures you can try, such as warrior tree or cobra. Set aside 15 to 20 minutes a day to practice yoga. You can find instructional videos on YouTube. The most important thing is to listen to your body and breathe deeply. Many studies have shown that yoga can help reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, thereby improving physiological function. Yoga teaches us about acceptance. Accepting our body as it is, accepting its limitations, and from there finding ways to improve it gently. Focus on your breath. The breath is our anchor in life. And those are 5 simple exercises you can start doing today. I want you to remember, this is not a race. This is a journey. Every exercise you do is an investment in yourself. It will not only help you improve your physiological health, but also help you regain your confidence, your connection with your partner, and most importantly, your connection with yourself. I believe that intimacy is not just about the physical. It is about being comfortable with yourself, about being able to smile and say, I am still here, still whole, and still loving life. Age does not take away your strength, but it gives you the wisdom to use that strength in the most effective way. Start small. Walk a little faster tomorrow. Try some Kegels tonight. You will be surprised at what your body can do. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. It will help this video reach more people who are also looking for a positive change. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next videos. Share this video with your loved ones who you think need a word of encouragement. Remember, you are not alone. We are on this journey together.